Hey guys, today let's learn how to use DALL-E 3 to create consistent characters. So if you'd like to go ahead and ask DALL-E 3 to create characters for you, what we need to go ahead and basically access is the Bing application and the Bing website. So if you don't have Bing downloaded on your device just yet, go ahead and do so and basically make sure that you have the application downloaded successfully, because Bing actually has the option to use GPT-4 and also DALL-E 3. So go ahead and proceed with downloading the application to your devices and go ahead and log on to your preferred accounts as well. But you can also go ahead and just use this directly, and all we need to do is to tap on Copilot right here in the middle and then make sure that you have GPT-4 enabled, and then you can now go ahead and ask anything on GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. So since we want to go ahead and ask GPT-4 and DALL-E 3 to create consistent characters for us, what we need to go ahead and do first is to generate an image of the character or scene you want to reference using DALL-E 3. So let's say we want to go ahead and create an image of a male character in an action scene. Go ahead and enter that prompt, wait for it to load, and what we need to go ahead and do next is to basically make sure that it accurately represents the element that you want to keep consistent. Now, the next prompt that we want to go ahead and do next is to basically enter the prompt on DALL-E 3 after creating the image. Basically, what you need to go ahead and do is to prompt DALL-E 3 to provide you with the gen ID associated with the image. So, of course, we do need to firstly sign into our accounts and go ahead and do so that you could proceed with using your preferred DALL-E 3 image. And then once you're already successfully logged in, just go ahead and tap on the prompt again and ask DALL-E 3 to provide you with the GEN ID. So proceed with doing that. It's going to send you and prompt you the gen ID of that image, and then you can actually now proceed with entering that gen ID before your prompt and then describing what you want DALL-E 3 to do with that image for it to create consistent characters in different kinds of styles, scenes, emotions, and personalities for you. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.